First time in DR. This is what the airport look like. It's a good look. You know, it's a great look, you know. Leverage. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say it's your boy Leverage Boss. I know for you see in the description, you see we're going to DR, Santo Domingo to be exact. You don't know. We're there with Clay, you see me, and drop way off and things. So we're left from Fort Lauderdale Airport, you know. So check in and see where I go, man. Travel with me to DR. So let's get it. Look on the road. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, they are at the airport right now. Go check in, you know. Spirit. Don't know, say a Spirit we are take. So we are going at the line. See.
Good morning, check in at the kiosk first and get your tag. Sir, check in the machine.
I already tried checking. They said to go to the front desk.
Or
DR.
so you have to scan your passport right there in the machine.
So we are going to kiosk and see where we're going. We check in, we don't know where we reach around and see where we're going. Yeah, Leverage Nation, so just left security. And now the boarding pass, and we're going to look for G4. G4 is that way. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, I don't know, this one is going to be epic. Yeah, man. Santo Domingo, DR, you see me? Yeah. Long time when I do our airport trip. So, G4, the way down there, so. Yeah, man. Let's see where I go on. Long time we don't do all traveling, you know. Soon travel to Jamaica or something soon, but for now, yeah. DR. See what first time, you know. G4, you see sign down there? Yeah. G4. It's a air leverage nation, so we'll go all our seat at G4 and then afterwards. Yeah man, then afterwards check in where I go on the plane, you know? Yeah, because we don't do too much at the airport. We don't really get nothing. Probably, I don't know, if I feel peckish, might eat something, but I doubt it. So yeah. So see right now, G4, Santo Domingo. Wanna see? G4, Santo Domingo. That is it. So check in and see where I go on. So I go and sit down and relax and relax and see where I go on. Leverage. Yeah, right now we're hungry right now. So I get some Burger King, you know? See it, Get there. Yeah man, so I get some crispy chicken and juice, you see me? Check it. Leverage. That is it, leverage nation. So we get a royal crispy sitting come out to $12, you know? $1 dearer than the regular price, because normally $11 something. No, this is $12 something, so
Have a
yeah,
nice day.
that is it.
You don't want to trip it through. We'll drink, I'll come back.
Proper. Proper. Alright. But we're going on the plane now. So you know a thing go. Ram to the plane. You know leverage nation, you see me? You know the spirit. Bam.
To putting the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic band around your head and tighten by pulling on the ends. Secure your own mask before helping others. The life vest is located under your seat. First, pull the tab to retrieve the life vest pouch from its container. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. When exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest to inflate.
Yeah, leverage nation, I don't know, say boy leverage boss attack and watch if and just like that we take off on our way to Dominican Republic. You see me? Yes man. Look on the pretty view. Nah, I got too talk out that one here, but yeah, man. Nice feeling, man. One of the best feeling when you take off on a plane, you know? Working class people, them can testify to that one day, you know, so them are gonna left them work and misery. Yes, we're out there in the sky, look on the view. Yeah, man. Spirit all the way. When it's back of the plane, when I care. Yes, man. And just like that, we're in over the waters of Dominican Republic. Yeah, man. Look. Beautiful. Bitches. They are. Yeah, so now we're out of the plane. And I go immigration side, so you know. Yeah, the resignation was a good trip overall. Less than 2 hours from Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. First time in DR. This is what the airport look like. It's a good look. It's a great look, you know. Exchange and everything. Jamaica flag, we can't left it. Big up the Haitian them. Jamaica. VIP. So we are got through immigration and now say no, we can't record really, so we check in and reach out. First time in DR, it's a good look. Leverage. Duty free. Yeah man, we're there in a so. In a DR in a duty free, I look for some liquor, you see me? You know the leverage.
place there. They have the courage. They have the courage to hard back out the machine.
So what we do? I just right now. I mean, yeah. Oh, we have to do it now. People, look where I'm going. Yeah. Yeah, we do exchange. You know, so I should change out one little money to see how it look. But we always go on other place still, you know? Yeah. You know, leverage nation, you're out here. Oh, that's a credit card? Oh, car. See how to do it. So yes, we want to know how they are look and say, look. Fine, now you put your foot on the side out here. First time, now they are, you know, leverage money, it's in my leverage nation. Travel, let's see what's over here. Look where I'm going now. Oh my. Gonna mix it out, yeah. But we see it's a Jamaica police that, you know. High up. You know, see? Yeah, leverage nation. So the place looks so far, airport. What is that again? SDQ? Yeah, SDQ airport, man. So I take off them things and call out so kind of hot, you know? And I change up the gears, you see me? So y'all follow me to DR from Fort Lauderdale. You know, man. Whole it more stuff. Up here, we have a great sulfur with it. Yeah. So you might check it soon enough, you know? The place that give me a Jamaica vibe still. I'm not telling lies so far. Caribbean. No license plate up front. Yeah, man. Don't know a thing go already. Still at the airport, you know. Right now we just a try so we can finish sort out the ride. We have it still, but finish confirm, you know. Okay. So right about to far away. We're sure now we're going because we just stay out here seeing you. Police OCO. So, let's see what DR can bring for us.
Hi.
Oh, I place the right as well. Close, man.
time. Send go get that money. Brother, that's what me have on brother. When you want to see that shit, brother. That's what me have on YouTube, brother. They look right.
Yeah, leverage the shot, put it back hard, you see? So we check in, man, we're there, go and wait for a ride, you know? Yeah.
A lot of chicas here, man.
Punta Cana, man.
¿Punta qué?
No, Santo Domingo.
Santo Domingo.
Santo Domingo have a lot of chicas.
Would you like to put gasoline?
Oh, this is what he's going to give us?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is your car.
Okay.
Alma rosa primero. Pero es verdad que no hay agua ya, manito lindo.
No hay agua, tenemos 2 días con un bajo arriba durísimo. El que dio Antazo está vendiendo el agua.
No, así no calumniaron a nuestro alcalde. Pero, ¿y qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Por qué que no hay agua?
No sé, ahora no entiendo nada.
O sea, tú no sabes
Chicas.
que no había agua.
Chicas,
No te
a lot,
Policía.
A lot of chicas, man. A lot.
Police.
Pero ve acá.
Pero no, así no. Yo me imagino que las personas que tienen buenos hábitos salieron a comprar sus botellones de agua para ducharse naturalmente, porque hay gente que se respete no sale sin bañar.
Pero Jocelyn, tú le estás pidiendo a la gente que se llame con botellón. ¿Tú sabes el precio de un botellón? Tú eres un irresponsable.
Pero
¿Cuánto tú crees que vale un botellón?
30 pesos no es.
Pero sí, pero ve, Gaby, esta gringa, pesadora.
Yo lo dejé en 30 pesos. Lo dejé en 30 pesos los botellones de agua.
Está como la luz de aquí.
¿En cuál?
A 1.10.
Mira, muchacho.
¿Cómo es? No, cuidado, yo voy a San Cristóbal aquí. Óyeme a mí, en 110 un botellón. ¿Tú no sabías eso?
No, yo no sabía. Por mi madre que yo no sabía. Yo pensaba que estaba 30 pesos un botellón.
Te está engañando la nana. ¿Cuántas nanas que tú tienes ahí? 3.
2.
2 nanas. Esas mujeres son ricas, esas mujeres. Entonces, aquí hay uno que si yo no le doy 50 de propina cada vez que él va. Oye,
How much, my friend?
20. Tell them 20, papá.
Ponme $20, por favor.
patrón.
Regular.
Perdón, él
Aló.
vive en qué piso. Toma su
Dígame.
asesor para subirte el botellón.
Hay un ascensor para los...
Ya estamos aquí en la bomba.
Se queda en el logo y le dice, patrón, por viaje, por ejemplo. Le traje este botellón ahí atrás.
150 de ahí.
Sí, de que a veces quiere subirlo. Señores, pero yo quiero que vamos a ver la línea.
Lo que yo le dije del pase rápido.
Perdón.
809.
Yeah, so then I just go get a rental, you know? Oh dear. Huh? No, let's have, not really. Let's have video place, man. Ready? Ready, huh? Let's see what's this about. Yeah, man, respect. Right now we are going to one tunnel, Santo Domingo, DR. You know, leverage nation. Right now we are going to see where the place. We are going to see where the place ought to be. You know, first time in DR. See what kind of experience you get, you know. So remember if you always like, comment, share and subscribe, you know, because we're out here the right thing. We are travel free plan once more again. A lot more traveling to come, but you don't know, DR is a stop for now. Yeah, so see over there now. We have one place named what? Retarno. Yeah. So there are people that know the place. Check in as well. Yeah, man. place remind me of Jamaica, man, but a little bit more things are going on. Cause I bigger than watch a man look on house. I know so this look like the inner city part. Check again. Yes, nice so far, you know. Flight was smooth. Place nice and warm in the Caribbean here, you know. Santo Domingo, look, see sign there again on the building. Yeah, Santo Domingo. No, so we have a bingo. Yeah, man. You know a thing go. So we'll be back. We'll check out the next stop. Right now we are thinking about some food. As a matter of fact, we are try see if we could have try test out one food spot, and probably in our next video, I don't know if this, but we see. We don't have a whole lot to experience. We're here for a few days, you know, so yeah. Check it out. Leverage.